Another day, another rip with Philippe. Today we rip a blaster of O-pee-chee Platinum 2324. Okay. One pack, 2 pack, 3 pack, 4 pack, 5 pack, 6 pack. Yes. Okay. We want him. We're hunting Bedard. I want him so bad. Okay. Okay. Pack number 1. Okay. Let's rip. Let's see what we have. We want Bedard so bad. Okay, now, oh, we have something great here. Oh my God, it's pink. We have a lot of pink like that. Oh, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's numbered. I know it's numbered. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I think. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it. Can you sit another time? Zach Wierenski. Oh my gosh. Korchinski. Man. Eichel. Okay. Eichel. But. Another pink pulsar. Another pink pulsar, man. I can't believe I'm pulling another pink pulsar rookie, Kevin Korchinski. No. In the same pack, Jack Eichel, numbered. Okay. 199. Red Prism. Red Prism, numbered 199. Wow, what a pack! Josh Norris, what a pack! I can't believe. Wait a minute. My God. My God. A pink pulsar. Okay. Pack number 2. I don't know. Jack Eichel, Red Prism. Not so bad. Not so bad. It's not a rookie, but. I don't know what's hiding in the rest of this box. Okay. Let's rip. Ken, wait a minute. Okay, Marky Rookie, Samoshkevich. Okay. Oh, no. No way. Leo Carlson on the yellow surge. I can't believe what's happening right now. Leo Carlson, Neon Yellow Surge, Devon Levi, Sweet Selection, and Sharangovich. No. No way. No way. No. What is this? Oh my god. Another odd box, man. Okay. Got it. Like that. Let's rip. Okay. Okay. I have Leo Carlson and Neon Yellow Surge. My God. My God. Frost. Brock Nelson. Brock Nelson Retro. Okay. Ryan Hartman. Yellow Neon Surge. Well, Neon Yellow Surge, yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Pack number 3. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Another odd box. We are another. It's another odd box, man. Oh la la. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. 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 Matt Boldy. Oh, Coil. Coil. It's another good one. Timo Meyer and Photo Driven Dry Cycle. Another good insert. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. Already. Okay. 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 Logan Couture. Okay. Logan Couture. Sourdif. Ovechkin on the base. Pietrangelo. Ici? No. Okay. I thought. Okay. Okay. Oh no! Hey, Ovechkin is a rainbow. Oh no, I know. Odd box. Odd box. Rainbow. Okay, okay. Rainbow. Rainbow. Ovechkin rainbow. Okay, okay, no. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Pack number 6. Okay, we are on the odd box, man. Okay. Cut it like that. Okay. We cut it like that. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Open it like that. Open it like that. Okay. Troy Terry, Patera Rookie, Ottinger, Showmanship, and Reichel. Thanks for watching.